Hello and good evening friends, welcome to yet another session of Mobile Mechanic. These are the tools that we are going to use on this mobile. This is a Gionee F103 and the problem with this phone is that we have to change the LCD combo of this phone. Oops, I didn't return the SIM cards to the customer, so now we have to take care of them, the memory card as well. The phone is vibrating and there is no display. The customer said that this Humpty Dumpty had a great fall and after that the display is blank. So let's check the connections of the LCD first, and if the connections are okay, then it is for sure that we will have to change the LCD combo. So come, let's repair. So the first step is to unscrew all the screws. We will unscrew them. This circular thing at the bit of my screwdriver is a magnet. It helps me to manage the screws. They don't get lost, So now using this pry tool, we will gently lift up this mid-frame cover. Easily slide the pry tool around the crease of the cover and you will easily lift it up. Make sure you secure every small part into a safe place. This is the RX antenna cable. Don't break it, gently remove it. The connections are intact, so it's for sure that the LCD panel is damaged. So the mission starts, we will have to change the LCD panel. These two belts that you see at the left hand side, one of them connects the charging port, the vibrator and the loudspeaker. The belt next to it, the second one, is the display belt. This is the connection for volume and power button. Make sure don't break this belt, it is very delicate. This is the touch panel belt. The LCD belt and the touch panel belt are both connected to one single unit that you call the combo. Unscrew the screws that hold the motherboard down. And now gently lift up the motherboard. So this is the motherboard for Gionee F103. This litmus paper has gone red. It means this phone has been water damaged in the previous past. This is the front camera. The headset speaker won't be an issue when we work on the combo, so let's leave it onto its place. We have to remove this black sticker because the LCD belt is coming from beneath it. So we will gently lift up this black sticker. Make sure you don't break the belt that connects the vibrator, the charging port and the loudspeaker. You won't get a replacement of it very easily. Also, don't tear off this sticker because we have to attach it back again. And if you return the phone to the customer with a torn up sticker, he'll be very angry. If you break the display belt, that's not a problem, but don't break this belt. This belt is very important. And you see what we did? We did break the LCD belt. Now this is carelessness. I shouldn't have done this way. But again, I had to save this first belt first. The build quality, I'm not really impressed with it. Gionee should do a little more better than this. There is this plastic sheet as a screen protector on this phone. We can't heat up the combo with this or this will melt and stick to this combo. So let's remove this. You can see my good old Note 3 recording everything. So now it's time to heat up this LCD combo with the heat gun. We will apply the heat all over the combo, only that much that can loosen up the glue. The sides of this main frame are made of plastic. Make sure you don't melt them up with too much heat. Now because the LCD belt was downside, so we will lift up this combo from the top end. Very gently, without damaging your main frame, slide in the metal pry tool. And lift up the combo. On the right hand side you can see the frame is already damaged. It was already damaged when the phone came in for repairing. So you can imagine what was the impact when the customer had fallen this phone. Slide in through the glue, cut through the glue from all the sides, and the combo will lift up very easily. Insert your metal pry tool in beneath the LCD and you will be able to lift this combo up very easily. The good part is that most of the glue has come out of the frame, so it's very less cleaning for us to do. But still, we have to clean, and cleaning is very important. Clean off every particle of the old glue. Only then the new LCD combo will sit perfectly. Use some heat, use isopropyl alcohol, any weapon of your choice, but just clean this frame completely. So you see how good I am at cleaning. This is the old LCD panel of which we broke the belt. I am not happy with myself, but then I am not also happy with Gionee. This is our replacement LCD panel. there is a small trick that you should learn. Use a little bit of this tape. Doing this will make inserting this LCD panel into the frame very easy. Removing this sticker is very necessary, especially on the part that will sit on the frame, the edge of the touch plate. I'm really sorry I didn't notice it was gone out of the camera focus. Okay, so this is the clean frame. A little bit of glue is still left. We have to scrape off each and every particle of the old glue. You can see the tip of this frame broken, and it was already broken when the phone came in. If you have a frame available and the customer is ready to pay for it, change the frame. And now we have to glue this frame up. We will use our favorite glue, the B7000, for this. Apply enough glue, especially at the tip where it is broken a bit. If this phone is used with a good back cover, a thick one, this broken tip won't be an issue. Always remember to apply enough glue on the sides of the frame. The center part of the phone is where the touch plate or the combo tends to rise up very easily. Pro tip: don't clog up the components hole, the sensor hole and the front camera hole. We are now ready to mount up the new LCD panel and the touch combo onto the frame. First, slide in the display belt. Match the bottom corners and then slide in the touch panel belt. Make sure the golden contact points of the touch panel don't touch to the glue. And now, with gentle yet firm fingers, seal the fate of this LCD combo. It belongs to this frame now. This glue will come out with the plastic film on the combo. It is very easy to clean once it has dried up. And we have half done it. Make sure both the belts sit on their place very steady. See how we did it? No one can tell that this sticker was ever been lifted up. Well, I'm just kidding. It is clearly visible that it was lifted up. Just recheck all the components that we need to mount back onto the phone. The very first thing is the proximity sensor rubber. Attach the rear camera to the motherboard. Front camera will be mounted onto the frame itself and then connected to the motherboard. Place the motherboard onto the position. and put in the two screws that hold the motherboard with the frame. Plug in the touch panel belt and the front camera belt. Also plug in the power and the volume button belt. And now we are 80% done. Don't forget to plug in this RX antenna cable. This is responsible for a good network. Put in the volume buttons and the power button into the mid-frame cover, and now we can mount this cover onto the mid-frame. See, anyone can tell that this black sticker was lifted up. And there we go, a new life to yet another phone. I like that smile on the face of the phone. We will swipe away the extra glue with the IP cleaner later on. This is the ripped off belt of the dead display. I'm not very happy with myself on doing this. But then life goes on. Let's move on. This phone is taking too much time to boot up. Let's speed up this process. That's a lovely couple. I should get myself photographed like that. Actually, we all should. Okay, so this display combo is working very well, as good as new. We will now put back all the screws in. This phone also has some long and some short screws. Wherever you see a little bulge on the back cover, that are the places where the long screws will go in, and the shorter screws will come on the sides of the battery. We will return the SIM cards separately. The customer will be so happy to find them again. And now the taping of the phone, the final step. This tape will hold the combo firmly to the mid frame until the glue cures up, and the phone will be as good as new. Nicely taped up, mission accomplished. As always, I expect a big like and a big thumbs up from you. Stay strong. I'll see you again with a new phone, with a new video. See you again.